If you are having an issue with your in-home system, first, please reset it. Make sure that your power outlet is working properly. Remove the AC power cord. Then press and hold the power off button at the bottom of the console for 3 seconds or until it prompts console power off. Wait for 10 seconds. Then apply AC power again. Test the system by placing a call. Please confirm your name, address, and phone number to complete your test. The operator will reset your device and you will hear the following audio message.
Ending your call now.
Please test your device regularly. To speak to our technical support, call 855-633-4445.